Alright, so I'm packing up right now. Let's get some light up. Alright, so I'm packing up for my flight back to Costa Rica. Hopefully I make it through customs just fine with these plants, but I'm gonna give you a little breakdown on the breakdown. I got a red jackfruit and a Kunyat durian grafted in their pots right here. And over here I've got about, I don't know, 100, 150 durian seeds. I got some other bags of seeds in my backpack. And then I got some cuttings of lychee and some other varieties of durian, Chinese and Montong. Yeah, so here I'm going to show you how I'm going to bare root these plants and then make a box for their luggage container. Okay, so this is the red jackfruit, and I've just secured a stick to it with this elastic. And yeah, help that graft just be supported so it doesn't break when it's traveling. So now what I'm doing is removing the soil from these. This is what you're going to do if you guys are interested in doing the same thing. You just buy the plants and then you'll put them in a pot or use a hose and wash off all the soil. And then you're going to put it in a plastic bag, and I'll show you that next. Durian. This one was already getting root bound. Alright, so now, like always, we ran into a complication. Here's our durian. And the roots going all the way down to the bottom. I was hoping I'd fit it in this container, or this cardboard box, but yeah, there's going to be a lot. I'll have to bend over, and it's right at the graft point right there. So it's not going to work out well to bend it right there, so I either need to cut off the top, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off like right about there at the bottom to get some more room in there. Because, I don't know. Yeah, the roots already was rolling around the pot, so, and I'm mainly going to want it to graft off the top of, keep it going, and I can always add new roots by doing multiple rootstocks and grafting those onto the stem, and I get a new taproot. So hopefully it is okay with me cutting off the root. The jackfruit is nice and small. I think that'll be no problem fitting in there. I'll just kind of bend that over, that over, and then I'm gonna make sure they're nice and moist, and then I'm gonna bag them up in plastic bags. And yeah, I'll show you that, and that'll be it. Alright, this is what I cut off. Pretty big chunk of root, but I think it'll be okay. Hopefully that heals over okay. And yeah, I'll get it back in some good soil. Bought some coconut fiber here, so I'll pot these in some coconut fiber compost rich soil once I get them back to Terra Frutis. And everything should be fine as long as we get through the plane customs. Okay, so I've stripped off some more leaves, mainly on the durian. This is the jackfruit. I got the durian in there, just bent around. And now I'm going to put in this jackfruit. I'm just going to situate it in there as gently as I can. Okay, here's my box. Well, this is the box. I've cut it appropriate size, and I'm going to glue and tape it together to become like my luggage. Alright, so I'm just putting glue on there, put it tight, and then I'm putting tape on there, as you can see. Alright, and I'll update you guys if I make it there successfully. I'll show you everything I got back to Terra Frutis and all that jazz. And yeah, I'll be bragging about it because I love to do it. I love plants, I love fruit, I like to eat it and plant it. I hope you do too. Check out terrafruitis.com. Subscribe. Like my video, dislike my video, comment, don't comment. I don't give a fuck.